Just days away from dramatic changes in New York's divorce laws, we'll spell out exactly what they mean.
At least let him get past the wedding, right? Good evening, I'm Elisa Streeter.
And I'm Steve Ammerman. New York's no-fault divorce bill goes into effect next week. Essentially, it means if one party wants a divorce, it'll be granted.
But breaking up is still hard to do when it comes to dividing assets. The new law doesn't leave any wiggle room on how much you dish out in spousal support. News 10's Dimitri Gagne shows us exactly what the law allows.
Starting next week, no more proving that a spouse has cheated, abandoned, or abused you. If you want a divorce, you've got it.
This can be one where the answer is very simply, it isn't working out and we just need to go through the divorce.
And with no burden of proof, there is no lengthy list of complaints to make the heartbreak even worse.
It just really polarizes the couple when you have to put your time and energy over fighting, you know, did he call me nasty names? Did she throw the pots at me?
The details of no-fault divorce are nothing new, but there is something unexpected. Starting next week, there is no more debate over how much the chief breadwinner in the family will pay his or her former mate in the form of spousal support. No more bickering now. That figure is determined by a formula. Divorce attorney Barbara King at Tully Rinckey says the whole point is consistency, less discretion on the part of judges.
Instead of negotiating what the spousal support would be, how much does she need, how much can he afford, there is now a mathematical formula that tells him what he's supposed to pay.
But not everyone may consider it fair. For example, if a father divorces a mother of two who has little or no income, the payouts could be significantly more than if the parties had negotiated a number, like in the past.
This payor husband is going to be kicking out a lot of money every month. I venture to say he will not think it's fair.
It may be easier to be granted a divorce, but the process still requires lengthy paperwork, and the Albany County Clerk's Office recommends you do use a lawyer to help. However, the paperwork is free, so if you do decide to go it alone, you can download the forms online.